A very good morning, students. This is Benu and I welcome you all to RKP online classes. In this class, we are going to discuss few idioms and phrases and proverbs and other expressions which were given to you in practice assignments during the summer break, right? So it was there in the vocabulary building session. Okay, now I have written the first question. The expressions which were given to you in first question, they are written here. So first is a fat cat. Okay, now a fat cat is used for a very rich, a wealthy person, a fluent person. Okay, so suppose let's try to use it in a sentence now. Suppose we go to a party and there is a rich person standing there. So we can say, the person standing next to Mr. Jacob is a fat cat. Okay? So a fat cat means a wealthy person. Okay? Alright. Next is a cat nap. A cat nap means a short nap or a short sleep, we can say. Okay, so we can say I'm very tired, I'm exhausted, I'm going to have a cat nap. Okay, so a cat nap means a short nap or a short sleep. All right. Third is be in Dutch. Okay, so be in Dutch means to be in a problematic situation. Okay, to be in a problematic situation. So we can say, see, you can call me whenever you are in Dutch. Okay, so be in Dutch, to be in a problematic situation. Next expression is brain box. Brain box is used as an adjective for an intelligent person. A person who is smart, who is intelligent, who is clever. Okay, so we can say my little brother is a real brain box and hence he is favorite of all the teachers around. Okay, so brain box, a very intelligent person. Next expression is kill time. Now, kill time means suppose you are waiting for someone. Okay, you are waiting for someone and there is a period of half an hour. Okay, so during that time, whatever you will do, that means you are killing the time. Okay, so suppose we can say we killed the time between the trains, okay, playing the video games. Okay, so kill time means to spend time while doing something, while waiting for somebody or something. Okay, so let's just quickly revise them once. Okay, a fat cat, a rich person. Okay, a rich person. A cat nap is a short sleep. Be in Dutch, to be in a problematic situation. To be in a problematic situation. Next is brain box. Brain box is intelligent. Intelligent, clever. Kill time means to spend time doing something while waiting for somebody. Alright beta, so this was about the first question. If you want, you can take a screenshot also, and I always suggest you to note the things down in your notebooks, so that later on if you want to revise the things, you will always find it handy. Alright.